Welcome. In our course, ChatGPT and other awesome AI tools, we are continuing with usage of ChatGPT, but now we will focus on one particular domain at a time. So let us start with the healthcare domain. Okay, I am here opening one particular prompt which I have kept you ready for you, and yes, this one. Write main components of human circulatory system for each organ. Write its function in bulleted format. Give your answer as extensive as possible. I am even giving it some role also. You are an expert physiology professor. Okay. Because giving some role always improves the answer. Now, let us see what answer it produces. It is saying human circulatory system consists of several main components and heart and arteries and veins and capillaries and blood and lungs and spleen and kidneys and liver and bone marrow and it's nothing hormone secreting glands. Our s- body is nothing but wonderful miracle. Okay, now this answer is nice. It is also in bulleted manner, so medical students who are usually brilliant can easily understand and remember this for their examinations. But many people are good with visual answers or some visions or mind maps. So can we ask ChatGPT to create mind map? Now it is a language model, so it can only give answer in language format. But amongst the languages also there are certain languages. For example, there is something called UML, user modeling language, which can give you syntax for creating mind map. It will not create mind map, but it will give the code using which you can create mind map in one click. So I'm saying, can you give the mind map in plant UML format? And now this plant UML is one particular website. It has been now renamed as draw.io. So I'm asking it that, okay, you cannot draw the diagram, but at least give me the syntax or code by which diagram can be drawn. And it is giving me the code that this is how you can generate the diagram. Okay. I copy that code. And here I have written the instructions. I will be putting this uh, note on the our educational portal, so you will need not write. Now I have to go to this website draw.io, and in that draw.io, it is a flowchart maker. Actually, I have already created one flowchart earlier, but that I discard. Yes, and I create a new flowchart. Now, how this new flowchart is created? If I want to see, there is one menu, file, edit, view, arrange menu. Here, this extras is there. On its left side, there is arrange menu. In arrange menu, there is insert. Unfortunately, that is not visible in your view, but now it is visible. In the insert, there is advanced, and in the advanced, there is plant UML. So I write plant UML. Some experimental code is already there, which I delete. And instead of that, I am pasting the code which ChatGPT has given to me. Okay. Now, let me see. The code begins with always start. I am deleting all this. Certainly, I can do it and all that. Start mind map and end mind map. Okay. Yes, it has created beautiful mind map, and many students may find this much easier to learn from compared to earlier. Okay, this is the old one, so that old one I'm deleting. Yeah. Now, this particular mind map, I'm sorry, there was a call and I forgot to put it on silent. I can right click on it and I can save it as image. Okay. But before that, let me try to further modify it. Here also it is asking me unsaved changes. Click here to save. And various formats it is giving. XML is fine, and I can save it to my device, my computer, giving some name here. Okay, but before that, I want to try to colorize this. So for that, let us try to go back to ChatGPT and tell it that can you add color to the code which you have generated. So it says certainly, and it is giving the colors. Here you can see that since the output is a bit longer, it has stopped abruptly. So you should always carefully check this and press continue generating. So that one or two lines which are there, for example, here only one line and two lines were left. But this is a crucial tag, end mind map. So it was left. So that is included by it. Now I copy, I go back to that draw.io website and I create a new file. In the new file, I create a blank diagram. And in the blank diagram, I again go to arrange tab, which is on the left side of these extras, which is not visible in your view. Then insert, which is also not visible, but now everything is visible. Then advanced, then plant UML, then all this you remove. And this one and insert. Let us see if it gives colored diagram or not. Yes, it has given colored diagram. Okay. So, however, all level nodes are of same color. Uh, so, in each time, it gives different answer. So earlier it had given me, ChatGPT had given me this particular code. Let me try this code this time and let me see what answer is obtained. Okay, so then I say delete and again arrange, again insert, again advanced, again plant UML, remove the old code and this code. Yes, this is much better as you can see because same level nodes are pink, then next level nodes are purple, and the next level nodes are green. So sometimes if you need, you have to try once or twice and it will give you the appropriate answer. Okay. Then you can even edit the image also and you can add the desired colors and you can add style.